Hi kids, in this session you are going to learn about local finance. Local finance, it refers to the finance of local bodies in India. There is a large variety of local bodies in India. In this one, four types alone we are going to see now. Village Panchayat, district boards or Jilla Parishad, municipalities, municipal corporation. Village Panchayat. Establishment. The jurisdiction of a panchayat is usually confined to one revenue village. In some cases, though not very frequently, two or more small villages are grouped under one panchayat. The establishment of Panchayat Raj is the avowed policy of most states in India. Functions. What are the functions in the village panchayat? The functions of panchayat ranges over a wide area including civil, economic. Thus, small disputes may be disposed by panchayats on the spot. Roads, primary schools, village dispensaries, etc. are to be managed by the panchayat alone. The supply of water, both for drinking and irrigation, falls within their field of responsibility, and in some cases, farming, marketing, storage, etc. are entrusted to them. Sources of revenue of village panchayat, from where they are getting the sources. General property tax, taxes on land, profession tax, and tax on animals and vehicles. Other taxes include service tax, auctory, theatre tax, pilgrim tax, tax on marriage, tax on birth and death, and also the labor tax also. As a matter of fact, taxes are levied by the panchayats only with the sanction of the state government. State government alone, they should sanction the tax there, okay. And there are certain limits in respect of tax rates which have to be observed. Next, district boards or Jilla Parishad. It is established actually in the rural areas, okay. District boards or Jilla Parishads are established at district level in rural areas. The terrestrial jurisdiction of a district board is generally a revenue district. What are the functions of it? The Jilla Parishad is a coordinating body which exercises general supervision over the working of Panchayat Samits and advises them on implementation of development schemes. Only what they are doing, they are supervising the working of the Panchayat Samits as well as they are advising to development schemes for the development schemes. Sources, from where they are getting the sources. Grants in aid from the state government, land seizures, toll fees, etc. Income from the property and loans from the state government. Grants for the centrally sponsored schemes relating to development work. Something central level also what they are doing there. They are implementing some schemes here. For that, central government they themselves will grant the money to the Jilla Parishad. Income from fairs and exhibition. Property tax and other taxes which the state governments may authorize the district boards. Municipalities. Establishment and functions. The municipalities are bodies or institutions which are established in urban areas for looking after local affairs such as sanitation, public health, local roads, lighting, water supply, cleaning of streets, maintenance of parks and gardens, maintenance of hospital, dispensaries and veterinary hospitals, provision of drainage, provision of primary education, organizing of fairs and exhibition, etc. All these functions are performed subject to the control of the state government. Sources, from where they are getting the sources. Taxes on property in the urban areas. Taxes on goods, particularly auctory and terminal tax. Personal taxes, taxes on profession, trades and employment. Taxes on vehicles and animals. Theatre or show tax. And grants in aid from the state government. Next, municipal corporation. The municipal corporation have wide powers and enjoy greater freedom as compared to municipalities. The municipal corporations are usually entrusted with the functions of water supply, drainage, lighting, roads, slum clearance, housing, and town planning, etc. The rapid increase in the population of cities has definitely added to the functions of municipal corporation. Revenue, from where they are getting the revenue. Tax on property, tax on vehicles and animals, tax on trades, calling and employment, theatre and show tax, taxes on goods brought into the cities for sale, taxes on advertisement, octroi on terminal tax, etc. The corporation have a fair degree of freedom in respect of their choice and modification of these taxes, subject to the maximum and minimum rates laid down by the law.